e ala, e alu, e kuilima kako. Aloha, Kaʻōhao. Naomi here.
And Anna.
Welcome back, Kaʻōhao. Thank you for assembling for another marvelous,
but highly delayed,
follow-up to our debut season.
Mr. Brad says that the news team, much like his tech, will continue to evolve to meet the needs of his old age.
And since he says we live in a veritable age of Ultron with AI, Dr. Doom scrolling, and Scarlet bewitching screens, he's going to break up the episode segments into YouTube shorts to better suit the attention spans of the day. Right, Anna? Right, Anna?
Oh, yeah, right. Absolutely. People just don't have the attention span these days. But not so at our happening campus, right, Naomi?
The infinity gauntlet of our last trimester continues at a breakneck pace. Keep up the pace pedaling on your success cycles, young Avengers.
Indeed, old friend. It's no time to happen upon the struggle bus.
Until next time, Dudums.